welcome to today's episode of Depreciation Nation, and today we're going to tackle a project, and I'm here with Derriff, and I don't remember what we're doing.
Well, we have to replace the starter on this.
Right, because it doesn't start.
Won't start at all.
So we looked at it, and the starter is covered in corrosion and doesn't look very healthy.
No.
Instead of replacing it, we actually have a starter and alternator rebuild shop that is just down the street. So in the interest of being budget conscious and saving money, how much were they going to charge?
It cost us 80 bucks.
80 bucks. 80 bucks versus somewhere between 180 and
328
to 328
yeah.
for a new starter. So we are about to pull this out and take it and have it rebuilt. So stay tuned. So that concludes the starter replacement, and unfortunately we don't know if the car actually starts, because in the process of that it appears as though the battery drained and the cells were damaged, and it will not take a charge whatsoever.
Oh well.
So stay tuned in the next episode when we get a battery and hopefully the car starts.
It will.
Hope you enjoyed. Remember to hit comment, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification in the corner to join our nation. Thanks for watching.
See ya.